Okay, guys. So I'm making. This is my a video about chicken evolution. Yeah, this is like a game about where you put chickens in other places and you put chickens inside chickens and then make a higher level chicken. Yeah. Is my iPad on all the way? On it? Yeah, it is. Wait, what? What? This is not working. My iPad is not working. I am going to upload the video on YouTube, but the sound's not working. No, it isn't. It's not on silent. Not on silent. I am making a video. So I'm playing Chicken Evolution. Do you know that?
Please show me. Oh, what do you mean? How do you know there's no sound? In the game.
Look. It doesn't make a noise.
Okay, let me see.
But if I do this, look, it's not like there. But if I do this, it's on all the way. But it still doesn't make a noise.
Huh.
I'm okay with that. So, yeah.
No, but that's weird. Could be. Life is weird sometimes.
Come on in.
You don't have to sing Yankee Doodle. Whatever. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Could you stop interrupting my video?
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you were recording video.
44.1 million, guys? 44.1 million. Wait, let me just check if I'm recording. Yeah, I am.
Doorbell.
44.1 million views. If you guys want to see that's my highest level. I know it looks weird, but it's so cool chicken. It's called the weird chicken. Do I have? Yeah, I do. These chickens do golden poo. That's 1,000 poo at a time. I'm gonna give you nothing. Oh, what? Oh, I'm almost near the birds. Almost near the birds. I'm almost near the birds. I'm almost near the birds. Almost near the birds. 44.2 million. There's a 44.2 million. What? Friday? Yeah, because they fry up. Does anybody get that one? Nope. Okay, no one likes to fry up me. That's okay. 4.3 million. It's still like the same. Guys, watch and learn the Namastastics. Yeah, it's literally a cat. I know that's weird how it just turned into a cat, but That's how life works. It's my main chicken. Main chicken. He does a lot of poo. Main chicken. Excuse me, Mom. Oh. I'm gonna run. Wait, what's this one? The area's full. Area's full. Area spotted. Yeah, that's a weird chicken. I know it's a weird chicken. We had spotted an area that is full of things that are meanings that are new chicken discovered. You.
This holiday season, make the most of your road home.
Okay, is this still recording? Let me check again if it's still recording. Yeah, that's a long time of recording. Chick feed. 1.9. Yeah, this guy is a beast. Can't believe after this thing, and then I got that guy. But what is the most expensivest? Hayat. The John. We could try. I can't believe 220. Wait a minute. What? Second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's new. I am a legend. Yeah. We are full of baby chickens. Full of them. We're literally full of baby chicks. We just need them. We just need to box them up to a piece of box. Did I get it? No. It's a buck. It's a box. I'm rich, so I have bucks. Doesn't make sense. I better not be recording. How am I still recording? That does not make any sense. Yeah, next video I'm gonna play I'm gonna do 4 days. It's not 4 day switch. This is after 4 day switch. Yeah, this is actually after 4 day switch. Cause I'm good. I am a different skin. Comment down below what is my new skin that's red. Yeah, Jacob. If you are watching, if Jacob and Ikuchi, or if you are watching this, then you do not tell them that it is Trooper. Oh my gosh, I just told you guys. Yeah, I'm still recording. Could you stop? Stop! Keep location. No, no kill. Next one, we're gonna watch YouTube. I'm gonna see what comments, and you comment down below if that's your comment, cause it kind of makes sense. Cause you comment down below if it's your comment, but if you comment down below, your comment is your comment, so it's a comment. You get to see your own comment in the video. We will watch unspeakable videos, and we will see what my brother's new video is. We will see what his new video is. That's him. And that's me. 'Cause I'm better. Okay, guys. I'm gonna thank you for watching this video. So, yeah, I'm gonna stop recording right